Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Danganronpa Roblox. First, open the Roblox application or website and navigate to the search bar. Type in Danganronpa to find various fan-made games. Look for popular options like Danganronpa, Hope's Peak, or Danganronpa, Despair Academy to ensure a good player count. Once you've chosen a game, click to join a server and prepare for the adventure ahead. Danganronpa Roblox games usually follow the core premise of the original series. You'll find yourself in a school setting with a group of fellow students, all under the watchful eye of Monokuma. The main objective is to survive, but to do so, you'll need to participate in investigations and class trials. Expect to spend about 15 to 20 minutes exploring and gathering information after a murder occurs. When a murder happens, the investigation phase begins. You'll need to meticulously search the crime scene for clues, often represented as truth bullets or interactable objects. Speak with everyone to piece together what happened. The class trial is where all the evidence comes together. You'll engage in debates, using your collected evidence to expose the killer, aiming for a unanimous vote to proceed. In Danganronpa Roblox, your role can change with each round. You might be the protagonist, the victim, or even the dreaded Blackened, the one who committed the murder. If the class successfully identifies the Blackened during the trial, that player is executed and the game progresses. However, if the Blackened manages to deceive everyone, then all the innocent students face execution, leading to a game over for them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.